This is the elevator at the West Indiana Professional Building in Indiana, Pennsylvania. This is an Eastern GAL RWB from 1982 or 83, I believe. 1983. Up to 3. Here you go up. C.J. Anderson indicator. That's very weird. Back down to 1. This looks actually really similar to the Cranberry Tower. Non-88 phone. Actually, it isn't labeled. I don't know if this is a pure can, or if this is an Eastern, like ESCO or something. It's a basic Faker grain cab. Certificate, like I said, installed 1983. Certificate is on file, but it's also right there. Here, back at 1. Eastern does maintain it though, with phone numbers and stuff for that.